Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a not equal symbol on your Google Sheet mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a not equal symbol in your Google Sheet mobile, I just going to show in this video. So first of all, just open a document here. Then I just want to click on the cell. So inside the cell, I just need to insert not equal symbol. Here you can find the equal symbol. So to pick the not equal symbol, you just use your keyboard. Here I just using Google keyboard because there is no insert symbol option present on the Google Sheet mobile. So you can use your alternative as your Google keyboard. First of all, click on this number section on the downside and just click on the equal extra number section to pick the equal symbol. So you just want to long press on the equal symbol, which actually have a pop-up here called not equal symbol. You can just use this and you can insert the not equal symbol on your Google Sheet mobile. By this method, you can easily insert the not equal symbol on your Google Sheet mobile. So you just want to press it, just go to the section here, just long press it and just pop. Yeah, there will be a pop-up here and you can just select it and you can just insert like this. So this is how you just insert not equal symbol on your Google Sheet mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.